work. So after you guys pay out your account fully, if that's 12 months or 24 months, after you guys pay it off fully, then what they want to do is they're going to put that money direct deposit into your account. I suggest you guys have all that stuff set up right away. Like, soon as you sign up for the account, try to have all your information set up in the system correctly, because if you don't, then they're going to send you a paper check. So they're going to do a payout of direct deposit, or they're going to give you a paper check. The direct deposit is going to happen faster than a paper check. I would say it could take a few days or maybe a week for a direct deposit. When it comes down to the paper check, it could take up to 3 weeks. Now let's go ahead and look fully, because I have it right here. So when I get my payout for the credit builder account, you normally get your payout at the end of the credit builder account. If you pay the account off early and want your money back before the original end date, you'll need to make an extra check to close your account to get your payout sooner. If you choose to get your payout by check, it could take up to 3 weeks to get your money back, but direct deposit may take less time. It is going to take less time. It's not on me, y'all. It will, because mine came back fast. If you haven't completed or closed your account yet, switch to direct deposit to get your money sooner. So that's how that payoff is going to work. Just the payout is going to work. Just make sure you guys are paying out your account fully, and then you guys should be